think Dr. Kasden, and treats the whole person. He's took a lot of time with me to see what was wrong, what I wanted, what I expected, what was realistic for me. I just think that the one-on-one time to actually, it made me feel more of a person, like he was concerned, and I really feel like takes pride in his work and is intent on doing a very good job. And something else I was going to say, I forgot. Oh, I also like that he does the follow-ups too, so he knows what's going on and he can see problems before, I guess, they get worse. So I don't know if all doctors do that, but Dr. Kasden's office, everybody's really nice, and sorry, he's been very compassionate about the struggles or the emotional aspect of the surgery, which is not something I expected at all. Maybe he should be in the shrink. But I don't have any complaints at all. I don't know what else to say. His office staff is very sweet. Anything I've asked, they've been very prompt in handling any problems I have or returning my calls. And the same as Dr. Kasden. I had a gastric bypass. It went really well laparoscopically. I lost down to about 160, and I have really loose skin on my legs. They're very jiggly. I've always been disproportionate as far as my thighs to the rest of my body, and my stomach was saggy. It's really terrible to lose all that weight, and you look better in clothes, but you feel horrible when you look at yourself. And I really just wanted something done about it. And I saw Dr. Kasden try this guy out. And I visited him at maybe October of last year and discussed getting a tummy tuck. And he was very concerned about what I wanted. He listened to what I thought were my problems, why I wanted the surgery, and was very explicit in what would happen, what the surgery entailed. He was reluctant to do the thigh lift with the abdominoplasty because it's very stressful on your body, which I think was probably a good decision because it was very stressful on my body.
If you had it to do all over again, would you do it all over again?
Yes, I think if you would have asked me that a few weeks ago, I would have said no.
That's getting better now, huh?
Yeah, but I'm very happy with it. It's just amazing to look in the mirror and there's less there to hate. Like I don't, thighs or whatever, and it's not there anymore. And it's just really nice to feel better and to have confidence and to have just something that you feel is a flaw or makes you stand out in a negative way, to have it gone. And I really think that I should have had it done a long time ago if my body had been stable and my weight was smaller or less.
If someone considering going through what you went through, what would you tell them based on your experience? Not necessarily about me, but how's it changed your life and so forth?
I think it was, the surgery was definitely much more difficult than I anticipated, and not really physically, really just for me emotionally. I know it's kind of silly to say, but for me it really was. And I don't regret it. I think that once you realize how much better you feel about yourself, you won't look back. Like I keep thinking, wow, I could have done this a long time ago. And I don't know, I feel better in my own skin. And I think that's worth it to me.
Excellent. Well, I've enjoyed watching you blossom too.